Let's talk about something that every one of us does, but that most of us don't do as well as we should: sleep. We spend a third of our lives doing it, each day is dependent on it, but we still neglect it. Knowing how you slept is good, but it's not enough. You need to begin to understand why you slept a certain way. While you sleep at night, you have no idea what is happening. Nobody's even thinking about the most important room of our lives and how it impacts us: the bedroom. At Hello, we want to change that. Sense is a simple system that tracks your sleep, monitors the environment of your bedroom, and reinvents the alarm. Sense watches for noise, light, temperature, particulates in the air, and more. With the sleep pill, your movements at night tells you how soundly you're sleeping. If you're disturbed at 3 a.m., you should be able to see if it was your partner snoring or a car alarm that went off. We all have a natural sleep cycle, but a normal alarm will wake you up regardless of when's best for you. With Sense's smart alarm, it knows how to wake you up at the right time, so you don't start the day feeling terrible. If you want to be up by 9:30, but you're already half awake at 9:15, then your alarm should know to go off then, not wait for you to fall deeper into sleep. Here at Hello, we've been heads down for quite a while now building. We're a team of designers, engineers, and operations experts who collectively have built products and services that millions of people around the world use and love. Making world-class hardware and software on their own is hard. Doing these things in concert together, obviously it becomes even more complex. That's why we've assembled a team of the best people to do just that. With the rise of wearables, we've seen that people clearly care about their sleep. But to us, it felt so unnatural to be worrying about putting something on, charging it, remembering to press buttons. We believe that technology needs to disappear. It didn't make sense to us that we've been told to put something on just as we get into bed. Everything with Sense is designed to fade away. You should simply be able to just sleep.
When designing Sense, we didn't want to create something that looked like just another piece of technology. That's easy to do. It's much harder to design a device that feels at home sitting beside your bed every day. It should look like an object that you'd be happy to have there almost regardless of its purpose. For something so natural as sleep, we wanted to design something that felt organic. The spherical form and nest-like structure helped to keep things both simple and strong. To get to where we are today, we've iterated literally hundreds of times. By being able to 3D print and laser cut our way out of almost anything, we've settled on a design that's beautiful and one that also functions perfectly with all the sensors we have inside.
Fitting so much inside such a small space is pretty hard. When you look at what goes inside Sense, engineering everything to fit is a challenge, but it's fun. It's like a beautiful puzzle fitting together perfectly to become strong, sturdy, and to protect everything inside. Objects shouldn't just be designed to look good. They should be designed to last. That's what building things for people is about. With Sense and the sleep pill, we wanted things to stand the test of real life, and we've made sure we did just that.
Sleep is important to literally everyone, so we didn't want to make this product hidden in silence and without your help. We want the Kickstarter community to help us in shaping what we're building as we build it. With your support, we can together help people to better understand themselves and the world around them. We're so excited to build Sense and get it to you.
Let's talk about taking the perfect photo. First, compose the shot. Check the histogram, adjust the exposure, focus on your subject. Compute the hyperfocal distance to keep everything sharp, enable bracketing to get more dynamic range, add a neutral density filter, update the exposure, and then take the shot. We built a better way.
Today's DSLR and mirrorless cameras have amazing optics and sensors, but they do very little to actually help you take a good photo. Finding the right settings involves a series of complex techniques and formulas. As an engineer with a background in artificial intelligence, I knew I could build a tool to simplify the process. I wanted something that would let me focus on the composition, but would handle the details for me. So I created Arsenal, the world's first AI photography assistant.
With one tap, Arsenal finds settings to take the best photo possible. Arsenal's AI searches thousands of images in its database to suggest good settings. Next, it fine-tunes the suggestions by analyzing 18 different factors. Arsenal uses state-of-the-art machine learning to help you take a great photo in any condition. Many of the memorable shots you see today are captured by combining multiple exposures through a labor-intensive process called photo stacking. With Arsenal, you can do this in seconds. Capture all the details in scenes with high dynamic range, get everything in sharp focus, and create long exposures without buying expensive filters. Using these advanced techniques, Arsenal lets you go beyond the limitations of your camera's sensor or lens. For times when you want complete control, you can wirelessly adjust manual settings, see a live preview, and trigger the shutter, all from up to 100 feet away. Arsenal also improves the experience of reviewing photos in the field. You can flip through the photos on your camera, zoom in to check out details at full resolution, then share your favorite photos right from your phone. And finally, Arsenal makes it easy to capture stunning time lapses. It automatically adjusts the exposure in changing light, giving you a smooth day to night transition. You can even watch a high-def preview of your time lapse while it's being taken. Whether you're a pro who has already mastered manual shooting or you just bought your first DSLR, Arsenal can help take your photography to the next level. So before you replace your gear, try upgrading your technique with Arsenal.
Arsenal is already being tested in the field. Now I need your help to ramp up production. By supporting our campaign today, you can be one of the first to get Arsenal. We've got exclusive rewards for our early backers and some awesome stretch goals in the works. I'm really excited about the photos I've been getting with Arsenal. I can't wait to share it with you and see all the amazing photos you'll create.
Meet Olo. Imagine being able to print 3D objects directly from your smartphone for under $100. Olo is the first smartphone-powered 3D printer. Simple and affordable, Olo uses the light from the screen of your smartphone to print 3D objects. Half of its hardware is already in your pocket. Olo works with phones of all sizes. Its app is available for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Creating 3D objects is as simple as picking a design from Olo's easy-to-use library. Or you can use any 3D mobile app, including 3D scanning, to make your own. You can also choose designs from the web that are created by others or shared via social media. Olo can print files from the 3D design software of your choice. Select your object, pour in the resin, and Olo does the rest. Olo uses a special photopolymeric resin. Olo prints your design by using the light from the screen of your smartphone to harden the liquid resin layer by layer. Olo can even print multiples of the same object, or several different objects all at the same time. After Olo prints your 3D object, all you need to do is rinse it under warm water. Olo has different resins for different jobs. Olo can print hard objects and flexible ones. Olo even has a castable resin that can be fused, so you can create an object in silver and gold or other casting metals. Olo's resins can be used to print translucent models to light up your designs. Olo resins are available in a variety of colors and are priced competitively with other common 3D printing materials. Anyone can use Olo. All you need is creativity. With Olo, you can exchange creations with people all over the world. You can even send a surprise gift to someone special that can only be revealed by printing it.
When it came to Olo, we wanted to revolutionize 3D printing.
We wanted to design a 3D printer that's affordable and easy to use.
Olo will cost just $99.
Because we want everyone to have one.
Spread the word. Help us bring Olo to everyone.
Honey, where's the USB charger?
Hey Kickstarter, my name's Sean, co-founder of SnapPower. Last year, you helped us bring the award-winning SnapRaise guide light to market. Since then, we've been working hard to apply this same technology to the USB charger. We use USB to charge our devices every day, but we can't plug them directly into our walls. Instead, we use USB adapters or hardwired products. Both have their problems. Adapters are bulky, take up outlet space, and always end up missing. Hardwired products require you to completely remove your existing outlet and rewire a new one in its place. At SnapPower, we thought there should be an easy way to plug your USB cords directly into the wall. So, we created the SnapPower Charger. It's the first ever USB charger built right into an outlet cover plate, and you can use it to charge all your USB devices. Now anyone can quickly and easily add a USB charging port to any standard outlet in their home. The only installation required is swapping out the old cover plate for the new one. It's that simple. Our Power Prong technology does all the work for you by automatically pulling its power from the screws on the sides of your outlet. The SnapPower Charger also leaves both outlets open and available for use. Now you can charge your devices through your cover plate and reclaim your outlets for all of your other important things. And with its sleek, low-profile design, it's sure to blend in anywhere. In just seconds, you can make any standard outlet in your home USB compatible. The SnapPower Charger truly is the most convenient, simple, and attractive USB charging solution for your entire home. Over the past year, we've been working hard to make this product a reality. The engineering is complete, the design is finished. Now we need your support to get this into your homes. Thanks.
Inside every modern professional is a backcountry adventurer, one that should always be prepared. Introducing Silver Arrows, ultralight titanium multi-tool collar stays, brought to you by Suluk 46.
Good afternoon, fellow Kickstarters. My name is Steve Evans. I'm the owner of Suluk 46. I've been bringing you specialized ultralight backcountry equipment for the last 10 years. I'm expanding my machine shop capabilities to allow the manufacture of new, innovative backcountry gear. The problem I have is I need to raise money for the new equipment, and I'm asking you for your support by offering a product that I feel appeals to both working professionals and outdoor enthusiasts, bridging the gap between the two in an innovative and creative way. Silver Arrows, titanium multi-tool collar stays. It's time to bring a little bit of the backcountry to the office.
Let me take some time to tell you all about them. These are designed to replace your existing plastic collar stays, available in multiple sizes to ensure a proper fit. Simply remove the existing collar stays from your shirt collar. Verify you have the correct length and insert the Silver Arrow into the pocket. You now have a functional emergency toolkit at the ready, hidden nicely inside your shirt collar. Use your fork at business functions. Open a beer bottle, scratch a lottery ticket, open a box. One side has an imperial ruler and the other a metric ruler. 3 sizes of hex wrenches. Remove staples at the office. How about a titanium toothpick? Messy hair? Not a problem. We have a comb for you. Use the mini pry bar, and of course, you can't leave home without a screwdriver. Whether you are deep in the backcountry or attending a business event, with Silver Arrows, titanium multi-tool collar stays, you will always be prepared.